How to add music to multiple photos on Facebook story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add music to multiple photos on your Facebook story. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then what you can do is just tap on create story option, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, then what you can do is just tap on select multiple button. And after that, you can simply select multiple photos that you want to add music to. And after that, you can simply tap on next. And after that, on the next page, you can simply customize this as well. And with that, what you can do is just tap on edit option, and there you can add music to the different story right here by just tapping on edit and scrolling over to the different pages of the stories that you have added. And once you're done with that, then what you can do is just tap on done, and after that you can just tap on share, and that's it. Now your photos will appear with different music on stories. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.